equipoutdoors.com. Here we have our one-person illuminated hammock. It has built-in LED lights along this side. It also has a battery pack that comes with it. It is charged by 3 AAA batteries. It has 4 different lighting options: bright, dim, fast flash, and slow flash. Our one-person hammock is 400-pound weight capacity. It has triple needle stitching along the side, as well as woven loop ends and a black steel carabiner. All of our hammocks come with a rope hanging kit. And you can find this hammock at Sam's Club and online at equipoutdoors.com. You can find a majority of our hammocks at Walmart, Sam's Club, Target, Meijer, and online at equipoutdoors.com.